Hello guys, welcome back to our channel SciTech Hub. In our previous video, we have shown you how to write function. In this video, we will show you function returning some values and we'll show some more example. Okay, so let's create another function named square of number. Okay, so define a function of number. Okay, and here we will pass a number, right, and we can store it in a square of this number in a result variable like number multiply by the number. Okay, and to return some value we need to put the keyword return keyword, return keyword and space, then the value we want to return. Here we want to return result, so this is the return keyword, space, then result. Okay, so by this keyword return keyword JavaScript can understand there we need to return something from here. Okay, so this is the function square of number. We are passing some number variable as a parameter. We are multiplying this number and we'll store it in result variable, then we are returning the result variable. So here we are not using this square print anymore. So in this document dot get element by id we will bind this result. So document dot get element by id dot inner html is equals to, what is that, square number of, okay, and we need to pass some value, say 8. Okay, let's go to the browser, at the refresh button, yes, it's 64, and you also can add some messages, square of number 8. Okay, so let's go to the browser, hit the square. Now if I want the square of 9, then 9, and also we need to change message here, so refresh it 9. Or also we can do this, we can also return this message, so we don't need to change the message every time. So result, and in there number will be replaced by the number variable, right? So square and the concatenation style plus is not required. Let's go, hit it, yes, it's working. Let's change the value 3. See 3, square of 3 is 9, so we don't need to change this number every time. So let's do another quick example. Okay, but this time we will not play with the number, we'll play with string. Okay, so for that create a div. Okay, and let's the id name div message, give it a meaningful id. Okay, so let's go to the demo and we will show some message. Okay, welcome message, so welcome message, message. Okay, and can return, and we need to pass first name and last name as a parameter, and we will concatenate this with the space in between them and return it. We can store this result in a separate variable and we can return that variable from here, or we can also do like this. Okay, so welcome message. So here we will bind this welcome message document dot get element by id and that div message, right? So div message dot inner html is equals to welcome message. Okay, we need to pass some values, first name and last name. Okay, here we can also add welcome. Okay, so welcome message, we need to pass first name and last name. The first name is Peter and the last name is Parker. Okay, let's go to the browser, hit it, see welcome. Oops, we need a space here, right? For that, go to the code and need a space. Okay, so refresh it. Yes, here welcome Peter Parker. Let's change the name Peter Parker to Tony Stark. Tony Stark. Let's go to welcome Tony Stark. Okay, you can also add some prefix with this name, like Doctor, Mr. For that we need to pass another parameter, say prefix, and add prefix. So prefix, and also need a space between the prefix and first name, and we need to pass some prefix value like Mr. Okay, let's go to the welcome Mr. Tony Stark. And then we can also change it to Dr. Bruce Banner. Refresh it. Yes, you're welcome Dr. Bruce Banner. So, and that's it for today. In our next video we will do some more example on functions, and most important thing, we will take a text box and calculate the squares value. So we'll in our next video, here we don't need to change the square number from here, the code. We can just give it take a text box and put the number, and we can evaluate or generate the square of number and bind it in the result div. Also we'll do some basic calculator example. Okay, so don't miss the next video, and please hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe our channel if you are not a subscriber. You can also ask any questions, any queries related to JavaScript, or also you can suggest us about the tutorial, how can we improve our tutorial in our comment section. Okay, and please hit the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you.